So, may abangan kayong mga eksena na WTF kayo.
That scene in, yung nasa trailer, yung, you need to tell them the truth. Yung eksena na yun, abangan nila. Yung ducks scene, yun yung...
Grabe yun. I think it adds yung texture ng 90s and porn industry. Pero yung Friends going into a comedy of errors of adventure is timeless.
Yes.
Yung react nila talagang, ba't tayo napunta dito? It's
Yes.
that.
I have a very interesting question. Since you said that the setting was Y2K, 19, parang gano'n, no? Parang crossing that line, no? Hindi ko alam kung ang tamang term ba is taboo or parang big deal pag ang mga actors nagkakaroon ng frontal nudity that time.
Kasi
Dito ba, did you have that?
yung tema namin is porn industry.
Porn di ba?
Kasi
Oo,
they were stuck into a porn ring dahil kamukha porn actor. So definitely you will have all kinds of,
Exposure.
I think yun yung kailangan nilang abangan sa Big Bird, yung kung may nudity or what. But if there's something that we can assure our audience, if ever that there would be some things that you will see, there's always context. Hindi namin siya nilagay doon just for shock value. We wanted to put it there for the comedy, for the fun, and also to have the intention of wanting to teach something. Because again, comedy, you're gonna laugh, but you're also gonna learn something with the Bird Ganda.
And yun nga dahil sa dinagdag ni Lilith yung sa Y2K. Si Lilith kasi yung na-experience yun. Kami nung mga panahon na yung mga bata pa.
Grabe.
Totoo.
Di pa ako pinapanganak.
Lilith, di nanggaling sa akin, ha? Sa writer na kasama mo.
Okay. Nakatulong din na may vibe nga. Kasi,
It's a good mix, yung kayong dalawa.
yung kagaguhan niya kailangan talaga.
Bumalik. Back to you, Jama. Okay, for Kukay, you kind of touched on this na kanina, no? Paano po ninyo nabuo itong I'm Not Big Bird? Ano yung nag-inspire o pinagbasehan para gawin ito? So, nakwento na ni Lilith kanina yung story. Janice Navida from Bulgar. Are you here, Janice?
Yes, here I'm here.
Ayun, okay.
Hi, good evening. My question is for Enrique. Enrique kasi, the title is I Am Not Big Bird. Ayan, at di pala ako naka-record. Anyway, the title is I Am Not Big Bird, but you're claiming that you're a big bird naman. So which is true?
Pretty good bird.
Pretty good bird. Mabait na mabait.
Bakit ayaw pa-i-claim?
Ha?
Bakit ayaw pa-i-claim?
Huwag na. Pressure, be.
Sakto lang.
Pero Enrique, sa tingin mo ba makaka-affect yung title sa magiging trademark mo na in the industry na yung iba baka isipin you're not a big bird nga at tumatak na talaga sa iyo yun?
No, hindi naman po. Hindi naman. Feeling ko. Well, pag napanood mo yung pelikula, makikita mo ako din naman po si Big Bird eh. So...
So yun na yung sagot doon.
Alam mo, parang yung sagot ni tanong ni Janice maganda eh. Parang hindi ka ba ma-offend? Kasi after this, parang kita namin to, tutuksuhin ka na sa industry eh. Tawag ka sa'yo, Big Bird na, or ganyan.
Yeah, actually, nasa CR ako the other day dito. Then, may mga engineers na hindi ko na nakita for how many years nasa CR ako. Pagpasok na, uy, ito pa si Big Bird, oh. Okay, ayos ah. Pwede.
Di ba paano pag merong mag-stop sa'yo na parang...
Small bird, oh, tawag sa
Hindi, parang
microscopic.
sumusunod sa'yo, sinusundan ka sa CR para ma-check nila kung Big Bird ka.
Ay, ewan ko na lang.
Crime na po yun, crime.
Ingat
Sunod
lang
ka
po.
siya para silipin ka. Ano reaction mo?
Ewan ko. Baka sapak.
You really don't know anong magiging reaction ng people eh.
Yeah. But I think it's funny, I think it's funny. I mean, it's just a movie.
I know.
And second question to Enrique, talking about big, nasabi mo kanina na you have big dreams pa that you want to fulfill. May we know kung ano pa yung mga dreams na hindi mo pa nararating? And meron bang big inspiration ngayon si Enrique Gil?
Yeah, I mean, big dreams.
Sino sakali?
Well, siyempre yung businesses ko, sana it will do really well and sana mas marami pa kaming mga projects na maipalabas for the viewers na kahit wala na po ako sa screen or sa stage, nagbibigay pa rin kami ng entertainment sa mga kapamilya po natin. That's my big dream. And of course, my big inspiration is my loved ones, yung family ko, yung mga mahal ko sa buhay. Sila po.
So wala pang kapalit sa puso mo ngayon?
Never, man. Gusto mo ikaw? Saan lang?
Pwede.
Hindi naman.
May big heart din ako. Charot. Thank you, Enrique.
Thank you po.
Alright, I guess that's it, no, Aaron? Meron pa isa?
MJ, may pahabol lang si Tessa Mauricio. Entertainment
Tessa!
editor ng The Manila Times.
Tessa, I want to hear you ask a naughty question. I dare you, Tessa.
Really enjoying this press conference. The use of words
Thank you so much.
full blown and all of these things.
Very naughty.
I know. But my question first is for Direk. No, Direk, we've seen the trailer and we know it's like really an out-and-out comedy and a naughty one at that. But parang I get the sense that it's not crass. Parang yung pagka-present ninyo, it doesn't seem like it cheapens you or anything. Is that a good assumption? Because I will congratulate you already if that is the case.
So wait, ano yung tanong?
Hindi siya crass. I think the writers kind of have got it. Na yung treatment, are we correct to say that? Kasi syempre may mga tao na before watching it, they'd like to find out kung ano ba, whether, may bastos kasi diba, and then there's in Tagalog may malaswa, may bastos. Pero ito mukhang hindi siya crass na...
Actually, when we were starting to write it, that was my worry na may ma-turn off ba dito or ma-turn on yun. Pero parang, I went along with my gut instinct, pero I'm always when creating the story or scenes, iniisip ko yun kung saan pinanggalingan, kung paano siya mag-build sa character. So parang surprisingly some of our, kung binano nila Kukay, hindi naman crass, pero may makikita din ako mga comments from online na nagsasabi, ano ba yan, mga bastos, hinihila yung standard ng Philippine cinema, gano'n. Then ako naman, parang gano'n ako. So okay lang for me. So parang, I guess, subjective siya kung crass, pero yun, parang I'm okay na hinila yung standards pababa. So okay lang din. Basta ako lang, I just want them to have a good time. And, so parang, I kind of enjoy doing mga naughty na mga scenes, mga ganun. So, I mean, not in a, not for arousal, but to make it funny. Kasi, no, I mean, defensive, di ba? But I mean, these are things that we need to talk about, di ba? Like sex education, like, I mean, this is refreshing na press ko, no? Kasi may mention na bayag, may mention na testicle, di ba? So, like, ganun siya. So, ayun po. So, yeah, I'm happy naman na hindi naman siya ganun ka-crass, but some people might find it crass, so I'll enjoy nilang the debate on that sa Twitter. Ganun, so yun.
I think the word is wacky.
Wacky. Yeah, that's yes.
Parang all-out riot.
So that's why people shouldn't, you shouldn't worry going in yung sensibilities mo masyadong it's comedy. So
Yeah, hopefully they watch the movie and
I think that's
they can, yeah.
Kaya Philippine cinema, you're going down. Ganun, church.
Yo, we're going down.
Okay.
Yeah.
When we were writing po naman yung story, nung ginagawa po namin yung pelikula, hindi naman talaga namin iniisip kung ano yung iisipin ng audience. Mas iniisip namin na gusto namin ikwento na mas maayos to. Kasi, siyempre, deserve ng actors, deserve ng mga production, deserve ng mga producers at mga boss namin. At siyempre, well-deserved ng audience. And sa crass naman po, marami lang po talagang grass sa Thailand.
Liga ng karas dun.
Walang liga ng grass.
Magkaiba first letters, pero okay na rin po.
Saka yung pornography kabastusan, yung how men joke when they're together. Ang heart talaga ng film is friendship.
No, and which actually leads me to my next question. Like you said, one of the ladies said na may mahupulot naman, di ba? So, una, friendship. But second, I don't know whether, Enrique might want to answer or anybody else. Pag naman balabas ng manonood dito, like let's say, because the breakup in the breakup mentioned yung because of the little something, di ba? Let's say you watch it and you have a little something. Will you feel better naman coming out of the movie?
Yes.
Definitely.
Yes. Especially the ending.
Oo, grabe. Kasi hindi ka nag-iisa.
Hindi, okay.
Marami tayong hindi Big Bird.
So,
Lalabas ka na,
You can always be the bigger man.
You don't watch naman na film automatically anong message eh. Basta ang immediate paglabas mo, enjoy.
Enjoy.
Tsaka masasabi mo, proud to have a Filipino bird.
Oo. Saka after ng pelikula, definitely lang lalabasan ka ng laughter. Lalabasan ka ng maraming laughter.
Ma-arouse ng maraming
Yes.
ginong aral.
Maybe as a final question, so pardon the pun, kasi hindi naman tanong ng lahat, di ba? So let's just ask it in a different way. Para they don't think you're cocky, Enrique. What is your shoe size?
16? I'm kidding. Sa size 10 po, size 10.
Size 10.
Duly noted. And I think this is going to be a fun movie. And
Thank you.
something that will not bring down yung ng Philippines. It looks
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Standard ng comedy.
Ayan o. May nagko-compute na
Tatayo mo yung pelikula.
ng size 10. Do you know how to compute it, Ken?
Kami po magtatayo.
Hindi, times 10. Divided by 2 plus 2, tama.
Bibigyan nyo kami sa batas.
Okay. Aaron, okay tayo? Alright. Maraming salamat.
Thank you guys so much!
Anong masasabi mo sa videong ito? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan sa comment section. And also subscribe and click the notification bell para maging updated sa mga showbiz happenings.